If you pay an electricity bill in West Bengal, this message is for you. For the first time, West Bengal has opened a limited window where institutions and industries can export solar power to the grid and adjust it across the entire financial year. Cold storages, tea gardens, schools, hospitals, offices, multiplexes, retail chains, rice mills, flour mills, chemical and polymer industries. Every commercial and industrial consumer can go solar now. Generate solar power in the day, use what you need, export the surplus to the grid, and when you need power later, it gets adjusted. Not monthly, but across the full financial year. But listen carefully, this is not unlimited. Net metering and net billing work on quotas. Once the quota is filled, the opportunity disappears. This is not just savings. This is energy security for 25 years, a decision your institution will thank you for. Every single month, if you are an institution or industry in West Bengal, act now. Secure your place under net metering and net billing before the window closes.